How to cancel Now That's TV subscription. So if you want to cancel Now That's TV subscription, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So to cancel the subscription, you just need to simply go with Now That's TV app. If you want to go with the application, then you need to open the Now That's TV app, and then you need to ensure that you are logged into your account. And the second step is you need to access your account settings. You need to tap on your profile icon and then select account settings. After that, you will have cancel subscription option. You need to follow the guidelines to complete your cancellation. A confirmation notification will be sent to your registered email, and after confirming, you will cancel your subscription. But if you're using the Now That's TV on your TV, then you need to navigate using your remote control and log in if required. After logging in, you need to go with the account management section, scroll and find manage subscription and click on it. After that, you need to complete the cancellation process. You will get the verification, you'll be notified, and after verifying, you will cancel your subscription. That's how you can cancel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.